The current price of Axie Infinity is $67.66, with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.48 billion, a market size of $4.12 billion, and a market domination of 0.2%. The price of AXS has risen 19.78% in the previous 24 hours. Axie Infinity achieved its all-time high on November 6, 2021, when it was trading at $163.89. The lowest price since its all-time high was $42.09, a cycle low. The greatest AXS price since the previous cycle low was $69.24, which was also a cycle high. The price forecast sentiment for Axie Infinity is now optimistic. The current circulating supply of Axie Infinity is 60.91 MAXS, with a maximum supply of 270.00 MAXS. Axie Infinity is presently rated 12 in the Ethereum sector, 2 in the NFT Tokens sector, 2 in the gaming sector, and 2 in the Metaverse sector in terms of market cap. According to our current Axie Infinity price forecast, the value of Axie Infinity will climb by 6.7% by March 29, 2022, reaching $72.16. Our technical indicators indicate that the present attitude is neutral, while the Fear and Greed Index indicates fear. Over the previous 30 days, Axie Infinity has 53% green days and 6.96% price volatility. According to our Axie Infinity prediction, now is an excellent time to purchase Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity has support levels of $53.29, $48.54, and the strongest at $46.05. Based on today's traditional pivot point of $55.78, Axie Infinity has support levels of $53.29, $48.54, and the strongest at $46.05. Similarly, the resistance levels for Axie Infinity are $60.53, $63.02, and $67.77. The price of Axie Infinity is favorably connected with the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap, excluding Tether, with a value of 0.637, and positively correlated with the top 100 coins by market cap, excluding all stablecoins, with a value of 0.478. To have a better sense of what could happen to the Axie Infinity price in the future, it's also a good idea to look at the Axie Infinity price history. The AXS/USD pair has gained 17.57% in the previous month. AXS/USD had a one-year performance of 1,394.26%. Axie Infinity has 53% green days in the previous 30 days. Axie Infinity is now lucrative to invest in, based on our historical statistics. Axie Infinity's price has risen by 1.39455% in the past year. The ideal price of Axie Infinity was 10 cents, and the token sale finished on November 4, 2020. Since then, the price of AXS has climbed 624.99 times against the US dollar, 78.79 times against Ethereum, and 200.96 times against Bitcoin. In the previous month, the price of Axie Infinity in US dollar has climbed by 17.4%. In the previous month, AXS has gained 3.47% versus Ethereum and 5.09% against Bitcoin. Axie Infinity's best year was 2021, when the price of AXS climbed by 17.224.32%, from $0.53717 to $93.16. Axie Infinity's worst performing year was 2020, when the price grew by 268.39%, from $0.145 to $0.53717. Axie Infinity has grown at an annual rate of 8.746.36% during the previous 3 years. Axie Infinity typically performs best in Q3 with an average gain of 1,211.76% and purest in Q2 with a loss of -0.44%. On its daily chart, the retracement phase was highlighted by 2 down channels, as the alt lost roughly 74.4% of its value after its ADH. As a result, AXS hit a 6-month low on February 24. Following that, it hovered close around its POC. Despite losing the important 61.8% Fibonacci support, the bulls were determined to keep the 78.6% level intact. As a consequence, the alt just had a falling wedge breakthrough on its daily chart. The difference between the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA reduced as buyers sought to counteract the current selling binge. Now that the bulls have closed above the POC, AXS chart shows a Morningstar candlestick formation. As a result, the possibilities of a durable advance from its immediate demand zone of $46 to $50 have improved.